Okay, let's check our answer. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, I'm excited to see whether we got it right or wrong. Okay, okay, for number one, there is a need for laws. Okay, so both agree. Yeah. For number two, okay, humans naturally know how to behave appropriately. Who? Jenny. Some laws are broken just because they exist. Both of them. People are aware of the effects of their behavior. Both of them. Penalizing people for wrongdoings improve their behaviors. Richard. So it's the end of the checking of text A. Answer to text B. The word hygiene comes from Greek goddess. Next, okay, surprising fact that they use breath mint. Bleathmints. Religious people avoid infected by shaving head. Or shaving heads. So washing before rituals or performing rituals. Okay, ritual is absolutely okay. Using oil, spice to show commitment. Okay, which five is correct? Check. C, D, E, F, J. Okay, text the answer for 12 should be let me change back. Okay, 12 is A. 13 is C. 14 is also C. 15 is A. 16 is B. You got it right? Okay. Okay, for 17 to 21, I give out the most simple correct answer. 17, polite. 18, okay, cultural shock. Okay, 19, as scheduled. 20, being late. Last one, 20, cultural intelligence, okay. Hope our practice for paper 2 listening help you to prepare the exam in coming Friday, or for our dearest year 1 student, maybe for your final exam this year, which will be counted as your periodic grade. Work hard. See you.